If you're getting the easy anti-cheat not installed error in Fortnite, don't worry. This is super simple to fix, so let's dive right into the video. Before we start, I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. It helps a lot and keeps me motivated to make more tutorials like this. First, open the Epic Games Launcher and go to your library. Find Fortnite, click on the three dots next to it, and select Manage. Under the installation section, click on Open Install Location to access the Fortnite game files. Once the folder opens, navigate to following folders. In this folder, look for the Easy Anti-Cheat Setup file. Right-click on it, then select Show More Options and click Create Shortcut. Now, right-click on the shortcut and select Properties. In the target field, add the text Repair at the very end after the existing quotation marks. Make sure to include a space before typing Repair. Once you've done that, click OK to save the changes. Double-click on the Easy Anti-Cheat shortcut to launch it. Follow the on-screen prompts to repair or install Easy Anti-Cheat. Once the process is complete, open Fortnite and the error should now be fixed. That's all you need to know. I hope this resolves the issue for you. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, subscribe for more tutorials like this.